So this is the laptop, and it happened June 1st, Monday. So I was setting up this monitor in this location. So after putting the stand, I I set up the monitor in here and tried to put it there. And I did not really expect that it will accidentally hit my coffee here, the coffee mug, and it spilled on top of my laptop here. What I did is I immediately put down the monitor there, and I unplugged the power of my laptop here. I also noticed that it automatically turned off. So what I did, I immediately dried this part in here, and I also checked the lower part because it's also wet under there's like holes in here. I immediately dry it off, and then I also tried to not to use it. So I placed it on a rice box, and then after letting it dry, I made sure to give it at least like 5 days before testing it. And then right now I'm gonna try to test it and show it. So here's the charger here. Okay. I'm gonna show the serial number first. Okay. So here's the laptop here. Okay. I'm gonna test it out. So I'm just plugging the charger here. Okay, I'm gonna open it. So it's now plugged in, and here's the problem here. It's no longer showing any display. I'm gonna also try to turn it off manually. Okay, it's no longer booting. I'm gonna try it again. I'm also thinking maybe the screen is just damaged. I can also try to plug it to my monitor here. So this is like an HDMI cable. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, okay, so it's not displaying anything from the monitor. And this is something that I really need for work because I'm also a customer service at Amazon. I've been using this for like an AI search. because from our computer here, it's not really allowed, and this really helps a lot. I wish I could. I wish you could help me prepare this, or maybe send me a replacement. I'm also willing to send this laptop to you. I'll just need like an address or a label, just in case you need to get this laptop. It's no longer working. But if I try to plug this HDMI here, okay, I'm gonna try it. Okay, so it's working with my company PC, but on my laptop it's not working. It's really hard to work if you don't have a laptop, because normally sometimes I have customers, they will ask like details for an item, and the AI research and also this laptop, it really helps me with my work. I hope I can get like another one here and use my warranty. It's not really working. I tried like multiple times now. I'm gonna try again to use the monitor. Okay. It's not really showing any display. And I also notice sometimes every time I press it, it's not really turning on right away. This is like the power button. Okay, now it's turning on. The keyboard lights. But the problem, it's no longer working. I hope you can help me with this laptop. I'm also still paying this laptop. Maybe I think I still have remaining 2 months. For example, even if you will approve this claim for the like a refund to buy another one, I think I won't be able to buy the same laptop, because I also need to pay the remaining months. Maybe I can buy like a cheaper one. But if it's really required to buy like the same, I will also do it to buy the same laptop. I will also try my best. Maybe this laptop got damaged because of the coffee. I don't really expect this to happen. I was I've been using this for months now, and I just purchased that monitor and set it up. Um, Too bad I don't have anything to use. One last try. It's not really booting. I also have important files in here. Still no signal. The monitor is not also reacting. Okay, I think that's everything for now. Please let me know if you still need more photos or videos, and I'll be monitoring my email. That's all for now. I'm gonna put this back in a box. Okay, so I'm gonna show again the serial number here just to make sure. Okay.